Hi, I'm Clay, one of the co-founders here at Nomics, and I want to walk you through the first installation of our MVP. There's several more parts to come. The first thing to note is that most of this can be contextualized with day, week, month, and year numbers. Let's just switch back and forth between them. You'll notice that when we switch to year, this turns green. So just depending upon the performance of the market during a certain time frame, this in will be either all the way up or all the way down or any point in between. One thing to show you are these billboard style rank change indicators. Neo and Litecoin are up 1 over the last day, and Stellar is down 2. Lisk is down 1. VeChain is up 1. And of course, you can look at these changes over the last month as well. And what's important to note here is that when you do a search, for example, anything with a letter B in it, the numbers here are ranked according to the sort. So if I'm sorting by price, the numbers are different than if I'm sorting by market cap. Another interesting feature to point out are these info boxes where we show change over various time periods, the all-time high for the market cap and the date of that all-time high. We also have an info box for the crypto asset price and for all-time high. And we're really happy about this. We're able to show current supply, max supply, and the percentage of the max supply that's currently in circulation. We, of course, can't show this data right now for currencies that do not have a defined max supply. That's it for now. We'll continue to give you information about updates. Our company is called Nomics. You can contact us here if you'd like to, or get a little bit more information about us. We invite you to sign up for our newsletter, subscribe to our podcast, and set your homepage as nomics.com for crypto asset data. Take care.